Mirror tops, it's for the ceremony. 3 trees need to come forward a little bit. So we'll do 2 on the side of the room and 2 on that side. Now, we can actually move all of these back a little bit. Like here, on the side of the aisle. Aaron, there's nobody sitting on this end, but we have 2 people on that end. So these 2 place setting goes on that end. So the ceremony is over. The Messiah and Daniel are married now, but that means I have barely an hour and a half to flip the room. We got to take down everything we set up for the ceremony and expand this ballroom so the reception space is ready for them when they are. What's her name? What's her name? Obehi, she needs those 2. This is the wine glass, I mean the water goblet.
Nice, just like that. Now, what if we don't have enough?
You're gonna have more than enough. You only need, because drop those things, help me with this.